In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve complex mathematical problems using Google Gemini. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, I have here a mathematical problem and I've taken it. It is in form of an image and I'd like Google Gemini to go ahead and solve it for me. Using a ruler and compass only, construct the triangle ABC shown. And then we have two tasks here. One is to measure and state the length AC, and then two, to measure and state the angle BSC. So I want Google Gemini to go ahead and solve this problem for me, and then also show me step-by-step process of doing this. So there are two ways you can do this. First, if you have the mathematical problem in a PDF form or on your Google Docs, you can just go ahead and copy it and then enter it or add it to Google Gemini before we can solve it. But for my case, I have it on an image. You can see this is a photo, so I'll go ahead and upload this problem first. And to do so, I'll just go ahead and tap on plus here and then upload file. Then I'll go over to my computer and find my mathematical problem. Here it is. And here we go. It has been uploaded. Now, one of the best things about these generative AI models is they can be able to read an image. So I don't have to extract that information. All I need to do is to ask Google Gemini to give me the solution, showing a step-by-step process on how to solve each. I've just typed in solve the two questions showing step-by-step process, and Gemini should be able to read this problem and then give a solution to each. And now here we go, and look at that. And here we go. Now we have the step-by-step process for length AC and BC. As you can see, the Google Gemini was able to extract the information from this image, and as you can see, it gave us detail by detail, and it went ahead and gave us the necessary information needed. And look at that, the calculation here, very detailed. And finally, we have here our solution. Length AC is approximately 13.3 centimeters, while angle BSC is approximately 25.9 degrees. So you can now transfer this information by copying it here and then use it wherever you want. However, it is good to go ahead and proofread and try going through the mathematical problem to ensure that everything is correct, because it is good to note that these AI models sometimes they tend to make mistakes. So that's how you solve any complex mathematical problem using Gemini. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.